So A is equal to the matrix here. So it is elementary transformation. Find the inverse of the matrix here. Again we are using a column operations here. Even you can use a row operation also. Okay. I am using a column operation. In that case, you write a equation A is equal to A into I here. A is the given matrix here. So 2, 0, minus 1 here. Then 5, 1, 0. Then 0, next 1 and 3 here. Okay. And this is equal to A into I is identity matrix here. So 1, 0 and 0 here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1 here. Okay. Here bring this matrix as identity matrix here. So therefore in this case interchanging first and third columns here. So C1 interchange with C3 here. C1 interchange with the C3. Therefore second column write as it is. Both the left hand side as well as right hand side here. Second column elements are 0, 1 and 1 here is equal to A into the matrix here. Again here second column elements 0, 1, 0. Keep as it is here. Interchange C1 and C3 here. So minus 1, 0, 3 right here. Minus 1, 0 and 3. And here 2, 5, 0. So right here 2, then 5 and 0 here. Then 0, 0, 1 right here, the first column 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0 right in the third column here. 1, 0 and 0. Okay. Using this minus 1 here, you can make this term 0. Multiply by 2 and adding here. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. Therefore, here this is a third column here. So C3 implies C3 plus 2 into C1 here. Okay, multiply by 2 and adding to this term, then this becomes 0. C3 plus 2 into C1. Therefore, third column changes here. Only third column changes. First two columns right as it is. Okay, both the left side as well as right hand side here. So minus 1, 0, 3 here. Minus 1, 0 and 3. Then 0, 1, 1 here. So 0, 1 and 1. Okay, is equal to A into. Here first column elements are 0, 0, 1 here. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1 and 0 here. Okay. Next here multiply by 2 and add here. Therefore here I am writing here 2 plus 2 into minus 1 here. It becomes a 0. So here is a 0. Okay. Then 5 plus 2 into 0. So 5 plus 2 into 0 is equal to 5. So right here 5. Then 0 plus 2 into 3. So 0 plus 2 into 3 is a 6 here. So right here 6. Okay. Even the right side also. So 1 plus 2 into 0. 1 plus 2 into 0 gives 1 here. So right here 1. Then 0 plus 2 into this 0 here. Okay. Is equal to 0. So right here 0. Then 0 is there. So right here 0 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 here. So right here 2. This is 2 here. Okay. Here 1 is that. So using this one, you make this term 0 here. Okay. So therefore multiply here by 6 and subtract here. Then this term becomes 0. So this is the third column here. C3 implies C3 minus of 6 into C2. Okay. So third column changes here. First two columns right here as it is. So minus 1, 0 and 3. Then 0, 1 and 1 is equal to A into the matrix 0, 0, 1 here. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0 right here. Okay. So C3 minus 6 into C2. Therefore take care this element 0. So 0 minus 6 into 0. 6 into 0 it gives us 0. So right here 0. Okay. Then write 5. 5 minus 6 into 1. Minus of 6 into 1 is a minus 1 here. So right here minus of 1. Then 6 minus 6 into 1 here is equal to 0. So right here 0. Okay, this becomes 0. Similarly, right side also, right here 1. 1 minus of 6 into 0 here is equal to 1. So right here 1. Then 0 minus 6 into 1 here is minus 6. So right here minus of 6 here. Then 2 minus of 6 into 0 is equal to 2 here. So right here 2. Okay. Here using this column here, you can make this term 0 because minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0 here. Okay. Therefore adding these two columns here. So C2 gives C2 plus C3 here. Again here the second column changes here. Only second column. First and third column right here as it is. Okay. So minus 1, 0, 3. Minus 1, 0 and 3 here. 0 minus 1, 0. So 0 minus 1, 0 here. First and third column right here into is equal to A into 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. 1 minus 6, 2 here. So 1 minus 6 and 2 here. Okay. Then adding second and third column here. 0 plus 0 becomes 0. So right here 0. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So this becomes 0 here. 1 plus 0 is 1 here. Okay. So similarly right side also 0 plus 1 becomes 1 here. 1 minus 6 minus of 5 here. Then 0 plus 2 becomes 2 here. Okay. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 minus 6 minus 5. 0 plus 2 becomes 2 here. Okay. So using this column, make this term 0. Okay. Therefore multiply by 3 and subtract here. This term becomes 0 here. Therefore this is the first column here. C1 gives C1 minus of 3 into C2 here. Only first column changes here. Only first column changes. So second, third column right here as it is here. So 0, 0, 1. Then 0 minus 1, 0. That is equal to A into the matrix 1 minus 5 here. So 1 minus 5 plus 2. 1 minus 6 2 here. 1 minus of 6 2 here. Okay. Then here multiply by 3 here and subtract here. Here already 0 here. Minus 1 minus 3 into 0. Minus 1 minus 3 into 0 is a minus 1 here. So it is a minus of 1. Okay. Then 0 minus 3 into 0. So 0 minus of 3 into 0 is a 0 here. So right here 0. Then 3 minus 1 into 3. 3 minus of 3 into 1 becomes a 0 here. So this becomes a 0. Okay, here we want a 0. So multiply by 3 here and subtract here. This becomes a 0. Okay. In RHS also. So 0 minus 3 into 1 here. Okay, 0 minus 3 into 1. Okay. So it is equal to minus of 3. So right here minus 3. It is a minus of 3. Then 0. So right here 0 minus 3 into minus 5. Minus into minus plus here. 5 3 is 15. So right here 15. They are plus 15 here. Then 1 minus 3 into 2. 1 minus of 3 into 2. 3 2 is 6 here. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So right here minus 5. Okay, it is a minus 5. Minus 3, 1, 1, 15, minus 5, minus 6, minus 5, plus 2, plus 2. Okay. Now make this one plus 1 here. Even here also plus 1. Means multiply by minus here. Okay. Here C1 gives a minus 1 into C1 as well as C3. C3 gives a minus 1 into C3. So middle column, second column right here as it is. So 0, 0, 1 here is equal to A into the matrix here. Middle column here 1 minus 5 plus 2 here. Okay. Here multiply minus 1 here, so it becomes plus 1. 1, 0 and 0 here. Okay. Even here also multiply by minus 1 here, it becomes 0, 1, 0. Then multiply by minus 1 here. Okay. Minus become plus, plus become minus here. So minus 3 is there. So right here plus 3. Plus 15 is there. Right here minus of 15 here. This is a minus 15. Minus 5. So right here plus 5 here. And here also multiply by minus 1 here. Plus 1 is there. So right here minus 1. Minus 6 here. Minus becomes a plus here. Plus 2 is there. So right here minus 2. Next interchanging these two columns here. So C2 interchange with C3. Therefore 1, 0, 0 here. Then interchange here 0, 1 and 0. Then 0, 0, 1 is equal to A into the matrix here. Then 3 minus 15 plus 5. Right here. Interchanging these two. Minus 1, 6, minus 2 here. Minus 1, 6, minus 2, 1 minus 5, 2. So right here 1 minus 5 plus 2. So this is in the form of I is equal to A into B. I is equal to A into B. Hence the matrix B is equal to. So 3 minus 15 plus 5 minus 1 6 minus of 2 1 minus 5 plus 2 is inverse of the matrix A. Here this is a given matrix here. In order to use elementary row operations, we may write A is equal to I into A. Therefore, A is this matrix here. So 6 minus 3 minus 2 1 is equal to I is identity matrix here 1 0 0 1 into the matrix A. Into the matrix A. Okay. Here there is one remark here. After applying one or more elementary row or column operations on A is equal to IA or A is equal to into I, if we obtain all zeros in one or more rows or column of the matrix A on LHS, then A inverse does not exist here. A inverse does not exist. Okay, therefore just observe here. Here multiply by 3 here and adding to this here. Okay, here we are using a row operation here. Okay, multiplier by 3 and adding here. So R1 here. R1 implies R1 plus 3 into R2 here. So second row keep as it is here. Second row elements, both the left side as well as right hand side. Right here minus 2 1 here. So right here minus 2 1 0 1. So right here 0 1 here. Okay. Then R1 plus 3 into R2 here. So 6. So right here 6 plus multiply by 3. 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2. 3 2s are 6 here. 6 minus 6 becomes a 0. It is a 0 here. Then a minus 3 is there. So right here minus 3. Then multiply 3 and adding here. So plus 3 into 1. Minus 3 plus 3 becomes a 0 here. So this is 0. Okay. Then here 1 plus 3 into 0 is equal to 1 here. So right here 1. Then 0 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 3 here. So is equal to 3. So just observe here. So this is a left hand side matrix here. First row elements are zeros here. Okay. So they given here. If we obtain all the zeros in one or more row or column of the matrix A on LHS, then A inverse does not exist here. Therefore here A inverse does not exist. Therefore A inverse does not exist here. So this is the answer here. Okay. Here this is the next example here. Here also use a row operation. So write A is equal to I into A here. A is the given matrix here. So 2 1 4 2 here is equal to 1 0 0 1 into the matrix A here. Okay. Here multiply 2 and subtract here. So R2 gives R2 minus of 2 into R1 here. So second row changes here. First row elements are right as it is. 2 1 2 1 1 0 1 0. Then multiply 2 here. It becomes 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 becomes a 0. It is a 0. Multiply 2 here. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 becomes a 0. Then multiply by 2. Then subtract here. 0 minus 2 becomes a minus of 2 here. Then multiply 2 here. It becomes a 0. 1 minus 0 is a 1 here. Okay. So here these two elements are 0 there. According to this one here, if we obtain all zeros in one or more rows or column of the matrix of A on LHS, then A inverse does not exist. Here these elements are zeros here. Therefore A inverse does not exist here. So there is one objective question is that matrices A and B will be inverse of each other only if 4 options are there. Okay. So there is a definition of inverse of the matrix here. According to that definition, if A is a square matrix, it should be a square here, not a rectangular matrix here. A is a square matrix of order M, and if there exists another square matrix B of the same order M such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Then B is called inverse of the matrix A and is denoted by A inverse. Hence B is equal to A inverse here. And one more notice that if B is the inverse of A, then A is also inverse of B. Okay, A is also inverse of B. If A is the inverse of A, sorry, if A is a B, if B is the inverse of A, then A is the inverse of B. Okay, therefore, according to this question here, so fourth option is correct again. If A is equal to B, A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I. If A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I, then only inverse of the matrix exists here. Okay.